So the next trail we're going to go on to, and it's called Pay It Forward, and it takes you to Snakes and Ladders and Torpedo Run. Now it's just been newly named, this portion, as Pay It Forward. This used to be the old payoff portion. The old payoff still exists to a certain point. I'll point out where it is, but again, the trail builder who does them, well, there's a few trail builders, but they all do an amazing job. They've put this in for the distinct purpose of those that want to ride to the other trails instead of using something like the push-up where you have to walk your bike up. Because as we know in mountain biking, if you're going down, if there's no chairlift, you have to go up. So you may as well make it somewhat enjoyable. So this one portion, this little S-curve, is new. And then you carry on. So we're coming to a bit of a junction. So carry on, pay it forward, continue straight and then right. An old payoff is on my left, just for reference purposes. Now, through this rock garden, you have a couple different options. As it's a blue trail, they made an easier sort of path, which is what I'm on, to get you through the rock garden. But there's also a more difficult path for those that want more of a challenge. But we'll just do the easy one for the sake of the video. So, and now this portion we're going to be going on is all brand new Pay It Forward for the next probably 100 yards or so. And at this point there's signage indicating that if you want to go to Torpedo Run, you can go to the right. And if you want to go to Shock Connector, it's to the left. And that will take you up to, or sorry, Snakes and Ladders, not Shock Connector, Snakes and Ladders. So we're at the connector now, and we took a left to go to Snakes Connector, which we're on now. And there'll be another secondary sign up ahead that shows you where to turn right, because the trail does continue on straight because there's a rock roll at the top of Snakes and Ladders, which I'll probably do. So coming up, we'll be taking a right on Snakes Connector. Very good. You got to go through a bit of a rockier part. Keep some traction. And now we are at the top of Snakes and Ladders.